Today it's Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, and then it's Wednesday, after that is Thursday, and then it's Friday, after that is Saturday, and then it's Sunday. Siphinde siqale phansi sithi Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Namhlanje Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, and then it's Wednesday, and then it's Thursday, and then it's Friday, and then it's Saturday, and then it's Sunday. There's nothing you can do about the days of the week. You can't make Monday go to Tuesday. You can't make Tuesday go to Friday. Life is like that. If it's Monday, don't make it Tuesday. If it's Tuesday, don't make it Saturday. Because today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, and then it's Wednesday, and then it's Thursday. After that is Friday, and then it's Saturday. And then Sho Bafethu, this is Sho MaThenji, South Africa's oldest rap singer. I am here to change the industry. I am here to show you that you can change your life, but you cannot change the days of the week. You can change your career, but you cannot change the days of the week. My single is going to be dropping soon. Please do support. Thenjiwe is in the building. Sho MaThenji. Please, please, please don't forget. Support, support, support. And I am here to change the game, to show you that you can live your dreams. It doesn't matter how old you are. And to show these young guys that we can do this at any age. You might not be able to change the days of the week, but you can change your life. You can change your career. I have just changed. It doesn't matter how old you are. I am today years old, but I am able to start a career as a rap artist. So don't give up. Support my music. Make sure you get a copy of my single and support the movement. Sho MaThenji. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Ngiyabonga.